How to add avatars in Roblox Studio. Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys in a super quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helped you out, please let me know in the comments and let's get started right away. Now, the very first thing which you want to make sure that if you go to view, you actually have the toolbox enabled because we need this in order to get the right plugin. So speaking of plugins, we need to go to models over here and change this to plugins. If we then search for load character and hit enter, we can see them right over here. Now there is a paid version, but there's also a free version, which should work just as well. There's actually another free version, but this one is perfectly fine. So we can double click on this, or actually just click on install. And it says installation completed. So we can now close this. Now we have a new tab over here, which is called plugins. If we click on this, we can actually see a bunch of different options. Now, all you pretty much want to do is simply click on load character, and this will pop up. So you simply have to enter a username here. So the cool thing about this is that it can be your username, but it can also be pretty much anybody. So I'll just do mine. I think this is mine. Yeah, this is how mine looks like, and then you can choose if you want to have the R6 or R15 model. So I'll just go ahead and do the R15, and there we go. So we have now added this. As well, we can also add the R6, and you can also click on spawn at origin. I'm actually not completely sure. Okay, yeah, I am actually. This is just the exact spawn point in the world where it will spawn. But yeah, you can do any username you pretty much want. So let's say I were to type in something random, like maybe something like pizza. So that one didn't really work, but this one did. So yeah, there we go. So that is how to add avatar in Roblox Studio.